Looking for the perfect air fryer to make your meals crispier, healthier, and faster? In this video, I'll show you the 3 best air fryers that stand out in 2025. Let's jump right in. 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. If you love crispy fries, chicken wings, or even reheating leftovers, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is a powerhouse. With a 5.5 quart capacity, it's perfect for families, and the Max Crisp technology gives you that deep-fried crunch with little to no oil. 2. Instant Vortex Air Fryer. Next, we have the Instant Vortex Plus 6 quart. This one isn't just an air fryer, it's a 6-in-1 appliance that can roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. With its EvenCrisp technology, you get golden, delicious results every time, and the digital touchscreen makes it super easy to use. 3. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Finally, the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. What makes this special is its TurboBlaze motor, designed for faster cooking while staying energy efficient. With 9 customizable functions, you can cook everything from steak to veggies in record time, and cleanup is simple thanks to its non-stick basket. So, whether you want maximum crisp, multifunction features, or speed and efficiency, these 3 air fryers have you covered. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen must-haves.